Unlocking the path to success. We all dream of success. But what really is success? Is it money, fame, or is it something more profound? Success is not just about wealth and power. It's about achieving what you truly desire, about realizing your dreams. It's about setting goals, no matter how big or small. It's believing in them and working relentlessly until they come true. Every failure, every setback is a stepping stone to success. They aren't signs of defeat, but lessons to learn and grow from. Remember, everyone's definition of success is different. It's unique, just like you. Do not compare your journey with others. Your success is about your path, your dreams, your happiness. So, chase your dreams, embrace your journey, and let your success story inspire the world.